a great day here at Chick-fil-A. My name is Bethany. How may I serve you? Bethany's making that for you right
Thank you
now.
so much. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Good morning, everyone. Ooh. Okay, I'm on the way to the plastic surgeon's office. Today I'm getting my earlobes repaired, and I want to show you guys really quick what they look like. There we go. So this one I actually had 2 holes, and because I kept wearing like this flap thing actually opens, but because I would wear heavy earrings, it actually tore the holes into 1 hole. And then on this side, this hole is just open, and you can see my ear is almost split. So that's what they look like right now. I don't know how long it'll take to fix both. The friend of mine that went and got it done and told me about it said it took about an hour or so, I think is what she said. So it shouldn't take too long once I get in there. I am nervous, however, people are staring at me. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put my camera down for a second while I'm at this red light. There we go. So awkward. I still don't have a mount, by the way, so you see where I'm at with that. But I'm nervous because of 2 things. They're gonna put a shot in the ear to numb it, and that doesn't sound like fun at all. And then I'm worried once it is numb, once they start cutting my skin, I'm worried I'm gonna be able to hear it cutting it. No mount life. So I am worried about that too. I don't want to hear the skin being cut. That just, to me, just sounds not fun. Being honest, it sounds gross. But I'm gonna bring you guys along. My friend's meeting me there because she comes with me to a lot of appointments, and it's like our thing that we do. So I'm gonna get her to try to vlog as much as possible, obviously while respecting the wishes of the office. If they don't want cameras, we're not gonna try not to be invasive and break the rules. So yes, I'm really excited. This has been a long time coming, and after I'm done, I'll tell you guys obviously how it went, what it looks like. I also have my son's ENT appointment today, so Rafe is being scoped for the 2nd time this afternoon, and we're hoping that his laryngomalacia is gone. I mean, I would hope it's gone. I don't think it's gone because of the way he sounds, but it does sound better, so I'm very hopeful that he's not going to need surgery. And honestly, I'm feeling really good about it. So that's the place that I want to stay in. I want to stay in this place of being hopeful, and I think it's getting better. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and let's get into it. Okay, I just got here. So nervous. I'm always good until I pull in the parking lot, and now I'm just like, I'm scared. I'm sure it's not going to be that big of a deal. They said it was very common to do it all the time, and if it's really like an hour or so, then that's super fast for 2 ears. I'm just scared the shot's gonna hurt in the ear. Okay, I need to grow up. Stop being a baby. I brought a jacket in case it's a little cold inside. I shouldn't be a baby about it because I chose to do this. I don't know why I'm whining, but they have to be fixed. Like, I'm gonna let you guys get one more shot, and for my record. So here's this one, and this flap actually like opens up. Can you guys see? Let me set you down for a second. So like this flap opens. Hopefully you can see that. And then this ear right here, this is awful. It's so sick. But that is what they look like. And hopefully everything goes well. And like this ear is almost completely split. That's sick. So I don't know if he'll touch this small hole right here or not. He's gonna have to look at them and tell. Okay, I'm gonna get questions about this shirt. This is an Amazon shirt, and these are the shorts from my Amazon haul, so I'll link both down below. But this, it was in my Amazon haul, I just forgot to show it in that video. So that's what I'm wearing today.
as we age, earlobes tend to get bigger. Elongated. Yeah.
Okay guys, I'm home and I'm gonna show you guys my ears and then we're gonna talk about like how it went. If you are squeamish, please don't watch this part. It's not that bad, but I don't want you to like freak out that I'm about to show you and like not warn you. So I'll show you both sides. I'm in front of a mirror. So here is my left ear. Let me put this down. That is what it looks like on the left side. And then this is the side that had the ear, you know, like the two holes kind of was in one. And then here, this is the attractive angle. Here is my right side ear. And he just went ahead and closed both of those holes, the big one and then the little tiny one. So yeah, I'm going to have to like wear my hair down over my ears to Rafe's appointment so I don't like creep people out. They said just to wear my hair over it and it was fine. And they gave me some peroxide, I think. And for ointment, they said just to use like bacitracin or Vaseline. Some little ointment right here. It just says that it is white petroleum jelly. So I'm assuming that's like Vaseline. But overall, let's talk about it because it honestly, the numbing did not hurt at all. It felt like getting your ears pierced kind of. He did do, I think, 3 shots in the ear and they all felt fine. The third one I didn't even feel because it was already starting to numb. The only thing that I was worried about that actually was true was hearing the, what do you call it? Like the cutting of the skin when he went in with the scissors and just like cut my ear. Obviously it's right by your ear so you can hear it, and that, it was freaky. And then when he cauterized, I could hear it and it wasn't fun, but it was like 15 minutes per ear, so like half hour from start to finish. And then we were there for I think a little over an hour. They took pictures and things like that before. So I'm glad it's over with. I just, I have to go back next week and get the stitches removed, and then the internal ones will absorb or dissolve, and then they will re-pierce them in 4 to 6 weeks. And then once they are re-pierced, he said to keep those in for at least 4 weeks, and then I could wear regular earrings. So in 8 to 10 weeks, they'll be like, this never happened. And I'm so glad. I have to fix my makeup though, because they had to use the iodine and kind of go onto my face to obviously make everything sterile. But I'm glad that I did it. I'm glad it's over. I'm starting to feel some throbbing right now, which I think is normal. Obviously they just cut my skin, so I might have some Excedrin. But overall it was good. I've already been getting DMs on Instagram about how much I paid for this to be done. I believe the actual total for 2 ears was $795. I paid $378 and some change twice. I had to pay half to book the appointment and then half today. So I think that is like $795 total. Let me just add it up really quick. So it's $758. So that's how much it was for both ears. And I think one ear was like $400. So it was a little bit cheaper just to, well, it wasn't cheaper, but if you do both your ears, you save money instead of doing like one at a time, if that makes sense. So if you have ears like mine, or you have like gauged ears and you want to get them closed, that's just the price in my area. I'm sure that the price will vary, but honestly, I'm glad that I did it. If I had known about this procedure sooner, I would have gotten it done a lot sooner. I just never, honestly, I didn't really know what it was called or know it was like a thing that people did. I thought that when your ears were ruined, they were just ruined. I guess like that's really naive of me, but I'm glad I did it. So I have to pack the diaper bag because what time is it? I feel like I ask every vlog what time is it, and I always look at my stove, but it's almost 11 and I'm going to pack the diaper bag. We have Rafe's appointment at 12:30 to get his scope done, and I'm not looking forward to it. Just, I remember last time sitting in the office crying because I could hear him crying getting the scope. So this time I think I might go with him to get the scope, because I think I might feel better if I'm just there with him and I'm the one that actually can comfort him. And then I'll let you guys know how that goes. But I'm feeling pretty good about it. I think that he is gonna be better. I think it's gonna be not a big deal. So I'm honestly not really that worried. Obviously in the back of my mind I'm like, what if? But I'm not gonna think about the what if, because I feel like just how he's been sounding lately, I think it's gonna be okay. Hey guys, so it's quite a bit later now and I have Rafe with me. I think he was in the same onesie last time he was on camera. Were you? Huh? I don't know if you guys can hear his breathing or not, but he had his scope done a few hours ago, and unfortunately the laryngomalacia is still there. I'm not really sure how much better it has gotten because the tissue still looks pretty close to what it did before. Are you smiling? He's not that much of a smiler, you guys, so I hope that camera got at least part of it. But as of right now, because his weight has gone up, there's no need for surgery, which I'm very thankful for. We did have kind of a scare for a minute. He was not gaining weight, and then as of today, his weight check shows that he is. So as of right now, there's no surgery needed, which makes me very, very happy. And I hope that he just continues to grow out of it. And it looks like if he does grow out of it, it's gonna be at a slower pace than I thought. But that's okay. I'd much rather him grow out of it naturally than have surgery to remove anything, because to me that just doesn't, I'm not one that really wants to do surgery unless it's like a last resort. But that's the update for him. I am hopeful that it's going to go away, even though it's going to take longer. I'm not at this point thinking that he'll ever need surgery, which is so awesome, because that was the one thing I was the most scared of before, was that he would need surgery, and I just didn't want him to go through that. Even though he's young and he obviously would not remember, I would remember, and it would be really taxing on especially me, because I'm the more emotional parent. But I'm hoping that you can hear the sound that he's making, because that's pretty much just how he sounds a lot of the time. Even though the sound has improved some, I will say that. Even though the tissue may not have improved, the sounds have improved. So hopefully that's just the start of improving altogether. So I wanted to give you guys that quick update for him, because he also, his weight, he is 3 months old tomorrow. So the day you're watching this, he's 3 months old, and obviously so is his sister. And he is 10 pounds, 5 ounces. So he's still a little guy. His sister, I think Winslet now is almost 12 pounds or even over 12 pounds. So they are definitely quite a bit of a size difference. And on Instagram, I posted a picture of them side by side. So you can definitely tell she is definitely so much bigger than him. But he's just going to be our little guy, I guess. And that is totally fine with me. Alright you guys, I'm going to update you on my ears really quick, because it's been 5 hours now since I've had them done. They are actually starting to hurt now, and I took Tylenol a few hours ago and they still kind of hurt. So they are swelling a little bit, nothing bad, and I think the overall shape looks really good. And then on this side, this one kind of looks worse than the other side. So I think I might lay down. I just put the twins down for a nap, so I might actually take a rest, I guess, because Anderson will be home here in like an hour or so, and if I just lay down, maybe it'll help me not too far down so I don't cause like throbbing. But I'm a little bit worried about sleep tonight, just because I sleep kind of on my face right here and on my ears, and I don't know how I'm gonna sleep. Honestly, I didn't even kind of think about that until just now, and Brian's gone overnight tonight, so it'll just be me home overnight. And at least if I don't sleep, he'll be home tomorrow, so I can get rest then. But yeah, I know this is only temporary, and I'm so glad that I did it. I cannot wait to earring shop and buy some new earrings instead of wearing the same pair for years. So that's going to be all for this video. I'm just going to go ahead and end it now. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming back to my channel. I am going to do some live updates as they're healing over on Instagram. So if you're not following me there, I'll put my name across the screen so you can follow me for more live healing updates for these. And yeah, so I will see you guys next time. Bye.